Types of matter, elements, compound and mixture. Firstly, let me teach you that what is matter. Well, anything which occupies some space and has some mass is known as matter. For example, consider this chair. It has some mass and occupies some space, so it is a matter. Similarly, consider this jug. It has some mass and occupies some space, so it is also a matter. Thus remember that matter is anything which occupies some space and has some sort of mass. Now we divide matter into two types, pure substance and mixture. Remember that pure substances are those which are made up of only one type of particles. For example, consider water, salt, gold and iron. We know that water is made up of only one type of particles, H2O. So it is a pure substance. Secondly, salt is also made up of only one type of particles like sodium chloride. So it is a pure substance. Thirdly, gold is also made up of only one kind of particles, Au. So it is a pure substance. Fourthly, iron is also made up of only one kind of particles, Fe. So it is also a pure substance. On the other hand, mixture is made up of different types of particles. For example, consider salt solution and salad. We know that salt solution is made up of two different types of particles, water particles H2O and salt particles NaCl. Remember that they are just physically combined together, so salt solution is a mixture. Secondly, we can see that salad is made up of different types of vegetables which are just physically combined, so salad is also a mixture. Thus remember that pure substance is made up of only one type of particles, while mixture is made up of different types of particles. Now pure substances are further divided into two types, element and compound. The easiest definition of element is that we cannot split up element into other simpler substances. For example, consider gold and iron. Let me ask you, can we split up gold into something other? The answer is no. We cannot split up gold into something other. Gold remains gold even if you divide it million times. So gold is an element. Similarly, we cannot split up iron into something other. I mean, if you divide iron sheet million times, it still remains iron. So iron is an element. While the easiest definition of compound is that when two or more than two different elements combine together chemically, they form a compound. For example, consider oxygen element and hydrogen element. When they combine together chemically, they form a water. So water is a compound. Similarly, consider sodium element and chlorine element. When they combine together chemically, they form a salt. So salt is a compound. On the other hand, mixture is divided into two types, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. The word homo means same. So a mixture which has same or uniform composition is known as homogeneous mixture. For example, consider salt solution. We can see that it has a uniform composition. I mean, we cannot spot or locate the water and salt particles. So it is a homogeneous mixture, while the word hetero means different. So a mixture which has different or non-uniform composition is known as heterogeneous mixture. For example, consider salad. We can see that it has different or non-uniform composition. I mean, we can see the different particles of the salad. So it is a heterogeneous mixture. Hence note down these important types of matter. Now we will learn some important concepts. How can we differentiate between element and compound? Well, we know that an element is a pure substance which cannot be split up into simpler substances like oxygen, hydrogen, carbon, iron, chlorine, and sodium. Remember that every element is represented by its respective symbol. For example, oxygen is represented by O, hydrogen is represented by H, carbon is represented by C, iron is represented by Fe, chlorine is represented by Cl, and sodium is represented by Na. Also remember that there are total 118 elements present in the universe. Out of these 118 elements, 92 elements are natural and 26 elements are man-made. In chemistry, we arrange these 118 elements in rows and columns. This arrangement of 118 elements is known as periodic table. So whenever you see the diagram of periodic table, always remember that it contains 118 elements. On the other hand, when two or more than two different elements combine together chemically, they form a compound. Remember that every compound has its own formula. For example, when oxygen plus hydrogen combine together, they form H2O. So H2O is a compound. When sodium plus chlorine combine together, they form sodium chloride, which is commonly known as table salt. So table salt or sodium chloride is a compound. When carbon plus hydrogen plus oxygen combine together, they form glucose C6H12O6. So it is a compound. Thus remember that element cannot be split up into simpler substances by any chemical or physical process, while compound is made up of two or more than two different elements when they combine together chemically. Now the second important question is, how can we differentiate between compound and mixture? Well, we know that compound is made up of only one type of particles. Secondly, particles are chemically combined together, while mixture is made up of different types of particles, and particles are physically combined together. For example, consider these different substances. This substance is a compound because it contains only one type of particles like sodium chloride. Secondly, it is a mixture because it is made up of two different types of particles like sodium chloride and water H2O. And we know that it is a salt solution. Thirdly, it is a compound because it is made up of only one type of particles like zinc chloride. Fourthly, it is a mixture because it is made up of zinc and carbon. Fifthly, it is a compound because it is made up of only one type of particles like copper oxide. Sixthly, it is a mixture because it is made up of two different types of particles like water particles H2O and sand particles silicon dioxide. Thus remember that compounds are pure substances and they are made up of one type of particles, while mixture are made up of different types of particles.